Hello, my sewing bees. I'm pleased to introduce to you the Hexagon Scissor case. This case was designed to hold my 5-piece Sookie Sews cutlery set. On the front of the case, there are 7 English paper piece hexies. Add your favorite fabrics to create your own English paper piece flower. Inside are 2 pockets with a total of 5 slots, and close the case nicely with a magnetic snap. Now, if you're like most creatives, you learn best by watching. For this reason, I've created an add-on video which you can get from the Sookie Bee Sewing Academy. This add-on video is broken into 8 lessons with nearly an hour of detailed, high-definition instructional video. Watching one of my add-on videos has been compared to taking a live class from me, because as I teach, I share all sorts of extra bonus tips and tricks that aren't mentioned in the printed pattern. For example, tips on making English paper piecing more efficient, turning and pressing hacks, and I also explain why I recommend various presser feet, needles, and specialty notions. To get your Hexagon Scissor case pattern, head to sookiesews.com, and don't forget to get the add-on video. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!